Hi, I am Vladimir Vaca-Cortez, and this video presents our work named Using the iBotAcademy Learning Environment to Learn Skills and Competences in Mobile and Manipulator Robotics with a problem-based learning methodology in the Industry 4.0 education. iBotAcademy Learning Environment has the following structure. It includes 2 mobile robots, 2 manipulator robots, a warehouse-like environment. Students and teachers perform the learning path using simulations and real robots, and the problem-based methodology. Finally, the iBotAcademy software suite is executed in the PC Lab server. The iBotAcademy learning environment uses competencies framework to evaluate the student's learning process. In this work, the competence framework proposed considers 4 competencies focused on pick-up and delivery tasks. Each competence has its own learning outcomes, and each learning objective has its learning activities objectives. Based on the competence framework proposed, the 2 learning paths are offered to students using ROS. First, the mobile robotics learning path, where sensor-based navigation, map building, robot localization, and path planning concepts are present. And second, the manipulator robotics learning path, where teleoperation of the final effector, computer vision background related with color and shape segmentation, and manual or automatic motion of the final effector are present. In iBotAcademy, the 2 software tools are developed to check the proper operation of the robots. Students can use the mobile robot software tool to monitor the turtleboard 3 sensors and command the mobile robot remotely. Also, students can use the manipulator robot software tool to monitor the OptiManipulator X robot. It includes moving the final effector in Cartesian or angular spaces, camera feedback, apply color and shape segmentation methods, and calibrating 3D poses where objects can be stored. iBotAcademy, the competence framework is evaluated through ROS grading packages. These grading packages analyze the ROS topics, perform the user feedback through the command line console, and communicates to the iBotAcademy curriculum tool using JSON data. First, the grading data are used to evaluate learning activities. Then, these data are used to quantitatively evaluate the learning activity outcomes, and finally, the competencies. The iBotAcademy learning environment was tested using 2 different groups of students, one performing the mobile robotics learning path and the another performing the manipulator robotics learning path. At the end, students were asked about their experience with iBotAcademy. As a result, both tests received very positive answers. Also, iBotAcademy curriculum management tool tracked the students' learning progress. Thank you.